Hello, welcome to Drop 44. So at last, this like the last second video of this year, and it's going quite great. Back to regular routine. If I would like to grade, then it would be somewhere around four. Definitely, I have hit four in my last week, and it's going tremendously well. So this is Drop 44, inching more closer towards Drop 52nd, and that's why we have some exciting plans also ahead. As by the title, you are just like it's about the launch. Yeah. So last week tremendously great. Really excited about coming week before the year ends. So great everybody, and going towards the startup side update. It's quite great. Client side, I don't think so. We have any specific updates right there. But as things get going, I'll definitely keep you posted with that as well. And on the product side, it's going tremendously well. We have added, when I told you in my last video, we'll add 54. So we are getting a ton of feedback. At the same time, our design team is also working hard to get product on the, like really streamline it in terms of experience. And that is what we are really focusing on. So overall, quite great engineering efforts, marketing efforts, design efforts. All we are nailing it down, and moreover, marketing efforts will be scaling from Jan also from the next year, and we'll try to outreach more people and try to create a sort of community of creators and users around 5,000 to 10,000 users. Like we have planned, but this planned had been it's been in planning since last 6 months, and but this time it is like we have to do it kind of stuff. So we'll be doing around 5 to 10,000 foods, but overall product side great. So startup side update is quite great. Nothing specifically new right there, but yeah, if you are curious, then do hit me up. We would be more than happy to share your update and feedback also. Now moving on to the challenge or the idea part of this video. So it's basically about the launch, like on the February, the coming birthday, at the drop, the whole series is going to come to an conclusion. The series was meant to make sure that I am more productive, and at the same time there are some goals, and there are some dead ends, or there are some hard lines that we have to draw. So drops is about this. So before this 22nd, we have to do something definitely. So as you have been following our whole journey till now, we started moving from a small MVP kind of version to first version to beta public version. As from Diwali onwards, we are right now in public version, but we'd like to officially launch it out, maybe a product hunt launch or a different sort of platform launch, and might also give some deals on AppSumo as well, not sure. But yeah, definitely product hunt launch. We want to make it quite official that we are going all in. So we would really like to put a hard deadline, just similar to what we did in, like, I think July or August. We had 3 months of hard deadline that in September or something, we will be releasing our beta version. So similarly, now we have a very hard deadline that we'll be releasing our final version. It's not our final. The product will always keep growing itself, but official our entry into commercial space, like kind of the point in time where we will start to focus more on monetizing it and pushing it more on a global audience. So that's what the launch kind of first version, you can say. But yeah, really excited about that. We had been the team and all, we have been discussing tremendously on this, that how it will be going on. We haven't thought of anything. People plan a lot about product, and we haven't planned anything. But we'll plan few things, but yeah, majorly we'll go whatever happens kind of stuff. So maybe we'll try. We haven't fixed a date specifically, but yeah, definitely before 22nd, when the drop is going to end, maybe in the first 2 or 3 weeks of February only. We'll pinpoint the date and keep you posted as well, but we'll try to keep it as early as possible. So overall, this is all about drop. Apart from that, like other challenges are going okay, but few challenges I kept on hold only. But let's see, new year, new resolution, new things come up. So I'll try to get back to my previous challenges as well. So overall, quite an amazing week, and quite an amazing, exciting roadmap that we have planned ahead as well. And at last, finally, year end, we are doing it kind of a launch in Feb. So yeah, stay tuned for that. And please take care of yourself and your loved ones. Till then, stay safe, keep hustling. Bye. Take care. YOLO.